Hi, and welcome to Best Homepage Ever. This is the second video I'm putting together this week in my series. And in this one, I'm going to briefly show you how to add your own website. If you have maybe a credit union that's local or something that's less popular than some of the ones that are either listed up here or that are listed down here, then yeah, it might be kind of nice to have your own set of sites that you like to visit on a daily basis. So as you see, I've added a few here already. I think by default there are 3, but let's see, I have, 12 here. So I've already added 9, but in order to add your own, you just hit this button here. It has 3 dots next to the launch bar. And pretty simple, you can just click on these. Some of these are also quite popular: Google, Quora, Instagram, etc. So yeah, in order to add these, it's just real simple. You can just click it, save. Once you see this website added, you can close it, and then you'll see Facebook's now there. If for some reason it doesn't show up, you can hit refresh, and then that ought to do it. That ought to fix it. But that's a real simple, basic form. If you want to add something more specific or regional, or just something that's not so popular, that's maybe not on this list, you can do it down here. So I'm just going to pick any website. I'll just do my old university. Oops, it's been a while. Okay, there it is. So University of Oregon. So what I think is the best method here is actually to go to the site first, click the URL, and then copy it. That way you get the most up-to-date and accurate URL. Then I just highlight down here or delete the HTTPS and then paste it. The reason I like this method is because it includes whether or not it's HTTPS or HTTP, whether it includes www or not. Not all sites do nowadays, so there's kind of different variations of websites. And then you can just add your whatever name you want. I'll just put Oregon. Shorter names, as I highlight here, shorter names are kind of nicer. They keep the launch bar looking a little cleaner. As of this week, I've added the ability to add colors. So, I tend to like the lighter colors, but you can choose whatever you want. There's a whole spectrum here. You start by clicking the outer rim, pick a color, and then you can, generally choose whatever you want. Once you save it, click Add Website. You'll see it just refreshed and it added it right here. That's it. Now you can add as many as you want. And to remove them, if you change your mind, maybe you don't need Google Drive or something, you can just click on it after hitting the Remove Site tab. So if I just want to remove my Oregon there, it's going to automatically refresh, and now it's gone. That's it. Have at it. Create as many sites as you want, and thank you for watching.